Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. For today's video I have a huge Primark haul, and I know that I say this in every single video but I have no idea how long this video is going to be. It could be quite short, it could be quite long, because I have quite a lot of stuff. This is actually from 2 trips to Primark, so it's not just one trip, and I have 2 bags full. So one of them is half full, the other one is almost overflowing. So I have this one right here, and this one is really heavy. Then I also have this one right here which is even bigger, and this one is half full, and it's at the point where it's probably going to split very soon, because I actually went to Primark with my mum today and some of these things that I purchased today will be in this video. And it started to rain when we got back from the train station, and as you guys will know, Primark bags are probably not the best bag for you to have if it's raining, because they just tend to get soggy and then split. I remember at Christmas I went to meet Neil at the German market and I bought a couple of things from Primark. It was chucking it down with rain, I had an umbrella, but the bag got absolutely soaked and all my things fell out, and we had to end up trying to put them in our pockets, also in the bags. And Neil ended up having this giant mug that I bought, and he had it in the inside of his coat pocket, and oh, it was not the best. But anyway, I did get quite a few really good things in this haul. I got clothing items, I got accessories, I got homewares, and some of the things were also on sale, which is great. Everything that is clothing items, I will also show you what it looks like on. So if you're new to my channel and you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and also make sure to hit the bell icon just so you're notified every time I upload a new video. So if you guys want to see everything that I got from Primark, then just keep watching. So the first things I'm going to show you are just accessories and homewares. So the first thing I have is this, which I picked up today, and I saw it and it was the last one. I was like, this is so cute. And this is a Disney trinket dish. So you get the cup in there, then you also get the plate on there. And I just thought this was so cute. It's Alice in Wonderland one, and it was reduced to £2. And I was like, this is one of the cutest things I've ever seen. I also have the chip cup from Beauty and the Beast downstairs. I haven't opened it out of the packaging because I'm sort of worried that it's going to smash. And I also have 2 packs of my favourite cotton pads, and these ones are the big ones. You get 100 and they're 90p. These are amazing. I've spoken about them so many times and they feel so good on the skin as well. And I also got this holder as well. This is what you use to put cotton pads in. This was only £2. Now, I didn't really think about buying one of these when I bought it, but my friend Marie, she was like, I need to get one anyway, and I saw it, I was like, £2, this is really cute, I can put it next to my bed. And I also have some exfoliating gloves as well. As you guys will know, I tan all the time, and my exfoliating gloves are pretty much at the point where they're about to die. They have some holes in them. So I saw these in Primark. I haven't seen these before, but they were £1. You get 2 pairs, and I thought, why not try them out and see how good they are. At the moment, I do use the Soap and Glory ones. I think they're about £5 from Boots, but they've lasted me probably about 2 years so far, and I've only just started getting holes in them. So I decided I was going to try out some ones that were pretty cheap and see how they go. And the other homeware item that I have is a 2-pack of touch lights, and this is what they look like. So I think you can pretty much get these in IKEA, but I think they are more expensive. These ones are only £2.50. So if you guys are not new to my channel, you'll know that I moved into my house around Christmas time. So in our bedroom, it's one of those where it's such a weird shape. So we have our light, and then we have our wardrobe, and then we have a corner section, but the corner section doesn't have any light fixtures there, and we do have a bookcase with our shoes and bags and things like that on it, and it's just really awkward to try and see things on there. So for such a long time I've been trying to find lights that are like this that we can put on the ceiling, that all we have to do is just press them and then we can see around there. So hopefully these are going to stick on, hopefully it's going to work really well, and they are battery operated as well, so it's one of those where you won't need to replace the bulbs or anything like that. And I also have some makeup and beauty items as well to show you. So in the new Primark in Birmingham, they have so much makeup in there, and it's one of those where usually in the other Primarks that I've been to, there's makeup that's been half opened, or they sell out of everything really quickly. And we went really early this morning. I think we went probably about 9 o'clock, and there were hardly any people in there. There was so much stuff, and I managed to find quite a few things that looked really good. So the first things that I have are some false nails, and as you guys will probably know if you're not new to my channel, I absolutely love false nails. I usually get the Elegant Touch ones, but my friend Jess, she was saying that Primark nails were really good, and she's bought loads of them. So I decided to pick up a few pairs. So the first ones that I have are these ones here, which are called Tipping, and they are rosy, and in all of these you get 24 nails and the adhesive as well. These were £1.50, and so were all the other pairs as well. So this is what they look like. They're sort of pointed nails, so they're clear, and then right at the tip they have like a rosy shine on there as well. It's sort of metallic. And I also got some glitter ones. Now these ones look so short. I'm hoping I didn't buy child's nails, but these ones are the fairy dust ones, so they're glittery ones and they're sort of like unicorn nails, and these are the nails that I can deal with. I don't like long nails, I don't like super short nails, but these ones I can deal with because I work on computer, so I have to make sure that I can type, and when I have long nails on as well, I can't even type on my phone. And I'm just so bad with stuff like this because usually I do gel nails on myself and I don't use false nails, so I decided to get some smaller ones, and I thought these were really cute because I love unicorns, anything to do with mermaids and anything to do with glitter, so I thought these were really good. And then the last pair that I got, this was the last pair that they had in the store, and these ones are the Skyline, and these are in the shade Sky. So with these ones at the base, they do start off sort of clear and sort of peachy coloured, and then at the top they end up being blue, and I thought these were really, really cute because they look like a horizon, and I really like the shape of these nails as well. So these ones aren't super long, they're quite short, then at the end they are squared off a little bit. So all of these nails that I have, they're all completely different styles, and I also have 3 makeup products as well. So the first one is the Double Coverage Matte Foundation, which has SPF 15. This one's in the shade Nude Beige. So if you guys have seen my review on this foundation, I absolutely love it. I did a first impression and I was blown away, and for me it's like a cheaper alternative to the Estee Lauder Double Wear. It doesn't last as long as a Double Wear foundation, but this is a really good one. You get medium to full coverage with it, and it looks so good, and I have so many compliments when I wear this, and it's only £5, which is crazy. So I do have the shade Toffee, but that one is very dark for me, so I have to make sure that I have a dark self tan, and I don't really have that a lot of the time. So I decided to get a shade that was a little bit lighter, and I did test out some of them because I did have testers in the store, and this one was probably the only other one that had a yellow undertone. The rest of them have pinky undertones, so I decided to go ahead and get this. So hopefully this is going to match me when I don't have a really dark self tan, and hopefully I can mix this with my darker shade as well. And I also picked up their primer water. Now I have tried to find this for such a long time, but the last few times that I've been into Primark, they have only had a couple left, but they're the ones where they don't have the lid on them and people have sprayed them, and it's not very sanitary because you don't know if someone could have opened it. But I managed to find a couple of these in the store. This was only £2, and it's supposed to be a dupe of the Smashbox primer water, which I absolutely love because it feels so nice and refreshed on the skin and it doesn't break me out. And I decided I was going to go ahead and try this out because it is super affordable. I love a really good dupe as well because that primer is quite expensive. So this one being £2, hopefully it'll work exactly the same. It's also silicone free, alcohol free and oil free, and I have very oily skin and sensitive skin, and I never have a problem with a Smashbox one, so hopefully it's going to be exactly the same with this one. And the last makeup product that I got is another setting spray, and I got one of these in my last haul. I believe that I got the matte one, and this one is the Glow Setting Spray, which is infused with vitamin B5, illuminating pearls and aloe vera, and I have an e.l.f. version of this, and it's so nice on the skin. It keeps me nice and refreshed, but it doesn't make me oily during there. It just keeps me having a really nice glow, and it's sort of like a dewy finish. And this one is a bigger one, and I think it's probably about the same price. This one's only £4, and I decided I was going to go ahead and try this out and see how it goes because I've heard their setting sprays are really, really good. And the last things I'm going to show you are the clothing and shoes and accessories I got. So the first accessory that I have is this headband, and I thought it was so cute. So this looks like it's one of those where it has the wraps that you can put on your head, but this is also a headband, so it's basically a wrap on the headband, and I thought this was really cute, and I think my friend Chloe wore this to work the other day, and I saw it on her and I was like, that's so nice. And then I went to Primark, saw it, and my mum was like, that would suit you, so I decided to go ahead and get one. I also have another head wrap from Primark as well, and it's one of the ones where you fold it up and you put it underneath your hair and then you tie it at the top, and I think they're so cute, but I thought this would probably be easier because this is just a headband. And the last accessories I have are some socks, and I always end up getting socks every time I go into Primark, so I just ended up getting some of these no-show low-cut footsies, which I get most of the time, and these are pretty good as well. You can wear these when you have dolly shoes on and they don't show, and they're pretty good. So I picked up another pair, but this time I got them in a smaller size because I got the slightly larger size, which is size 6 to 8, and they tend to fall off my feet, and I'm one of those people where I'm between sizes, so I'm a 5.5, so I decided to get the size 3 to 5 and see how they go and see if they're any better, because like I said, the other ones fling off my foot, which is so annoying. So I'm hoping that this size is going to fit me. And the other pair of socks that I got are some shoe liners, and every time I go to Primark I always get Disney socks, and these ones are the Toy Story ones. So I've seen the new Toy Story Story movie twice at the cinema, and I think it's really cute, and I love Toy Story. It's one of those movies where I've grown up with them because I've seen every single one apart from the first one at the cinema, because I was only 2 when the first one came out, so I wasn't really able to see that, but all the other ones I've seen, I've grown up with them. We had them on videos, if you guys are old enough and you know back in the day that you had videos, so we had them on there, and I just love Toy Story. So I decided to get these socks. These are the shoe liners, which are trainer socks, and you get 3 pairs in here, and with all the Disney socks you get 3 pairs and a £2.50. So these ones, you have the Toy Story logo with the clouds, then you also have the aliens as well, which I love, and then you have the Woody ones there as well, so you got Woody. So I think these are really good. Every time I go to Primark I always get Disney socks, and I also have 2 pairs of shoes as well, so I didn't go crazy on the shoes because there wasn't really a lot that I saw that I liked. So the first pair of shoes that I got are these ones, and these are just their normal dolly shoes. These ones are only £4. I also have another pair of these in a burgundy purple shade, and they're so good. They look great with every outfit. They feel so comfortable as well. I get a size 5 in these because my feet are between a size 5 and a 6, and for me I have to size down on these shoes because a size 6 just falls off my feet. But I love these. They're so comfortable, they're so cheap, they're so versatile, and they last pretty well as well, and they're so good for work. And the other pair of shoes that I got are ones that you either love or you hate them, and I got some of these velvet loafers. So I've been looking for some of these for such a long time, so I really wanted the ones where they were backless, but they didn't have them in my size, and then since then I've gone back and I can't find them, and they only have them in weird colours. I only really want to get them in the black shade, but they either have tan or they have leopard print, and I'm not really a fan of those shades. I just really want them in the black shades. So I got these ones because they're the normal loafers, and these ones were only £8. And the last things that I'm going to show you are the clothing items, and I only got a couple of clothing items in this Primark haul. So the first thing that I have is this Toy Story t-shirt. I love Toy Story, as I've already told you, and I love Disney, and these already have the sleeves that are folded up right here, which I think just gives a really nice look. I tend to do that with my t-shirts anyway. So you have the Toy Story logo, you also have Woody on the top, and I just really like this. I love these types of t-shirts, and like I said, I've been obsessed with them recently, and this was not even expensive. This was only £6, and I got this in a size extra small because this is a size 6 to 8, and this is the ones that tend to fit me. And I also got another t-shirt as well, and this one is from the TV show Friends, which is one of my favourite TV shows ever, and please do not mind the mess right here. This is foundation, and I actually got this on here from when I was trying it on for this video, so you can see what it looks like on, and I can't get it off with a baby wipe, so I will need to put it in the wash. But I want to show you guys, for the sake of this video, what this looks like brand new with the tags and everything like that. So this is what it looks like. So they're in a bathtub. I love Friends, and quite a few people from work also love Friends as well, so I'm going to be wearing this to work, and I could just wear this with some jeans to work and it would just look really good. This one was also in a size extra small and was also £6 as well. And the last piece of clothing that I have is this crop jumper, and I love this. As soon as I saw it in the store today, I was like, I need to get this. They have a huge section of Lion King stuff. It also has the sewn detail on here as well, so it's not like one of those transfers where it can easily wash off. It feels so nice and soft. So I also have another sweatshirt from Primark that I've had for probably about 4 years. I've worn it so many times. I've washed it loads of times as well, and it still feels so nice and soft, and those ones are only £5 and they are so good. But I think because this one obviously is Disney and it has a different pattern on here, so this is all sewed in, that's probably why it is a bit more expensive. So this is in a size extra small, which again is a 6 to 8, and this is also £10. And I don't own a crop jumper, and I never have. I've never felt like I wanted to, but when I saw this I was like, you know what, this is going to go really well for jeans and also for shorts, so I decided to go ahead and get this. Also, because I love Disney, one day I might end up going back to Disneyland Paris, or go back to Disney World, or go to Disney California, so this will probably be the perfect piece for me to wear for it. And there's also the Lion King printed on the sleeve, if you guys can see, so you have the Lion King on there as well. So anyway, that is everything that I purchased from Primark. I'm very sorry if this video is super long, but like I said, this was from 2 trips to Primark, so I've been saving all this up to do a video, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you purchased anything from Primark that you absolutely love, just comment down below to let me know, and make sure that you give this video a very big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye!